Here's one of my latest creations, and he is made with my usual method of papier-mâché, which is a base structure made from aluminium foil covered in masking tape because papier-mâché won't stick to aluminium foil. Then I cover everything with papier-mâché. I use a mixture of white glue and water, half and half, and paper handkerchiefs. So I coat the whole thing, all the masking tape, with the glue. Then I start applying the paper handkerchiefs. If I want a smooth effect, then 1-2 layers of paper handkerchiefs is sufficient. If I want to be able to mold it, make wrinkles, fur, different kinds of shapes, then I need maybe 3-4 layers of paper handkerchiefs. When the whole thing is done and dry, I then coat it with gesso, which kind of blends it all together. It smooths things out and also makes it a lot stronger. Then you have a choice of, do you paint it by hand using acrylic paints? Do you spray it with aerosol paints? It just depends what kind of effect you want. You have to be careful too to choose whether you want shiny or opaque. This actually, I use first of all the spray paints, and then decided it wasn't quite right, so I've mixed up a blend of brown and yellows and reds and whites to try and get a nice like cappuccino effect really. Here I'm sort of trying out different like wools because I wanted to add a little bit of fabric to it. And I've decided really to use the kind of wool that you can sort of, well, comb out, so you get a fur effect, which is really, really good. Then of course there are the eyes. Now either you put the wobbly eyes on, or you paint eyes on top, or use acrylic markers to draw the eyes on, or you make the eyes out of glue and then use acrylic markers. It just depends what kind of effect you want. Here I think I have found the right kind of wool. I'm going to use this just to make a little fringe for him, maybe a little bit on the tail, maybe a little bit just on the chest. I will stick that on. These little black threads you take away and then you can comb it all out, and it's lovely and furry. I do like this wool really very, very much. With the eyes, you have a choice of just using acrylic markers to draw them on, or you can make eyes from hot glue and use acrylic markers